Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this set of nails here was one that I did a few months ago now, and we just happened to stumble across it sat on the laptop there waiting to be loved, so we're loving it. So this is a new set on my friend Selena, and this is a Lilac luster, and this must have been done when it was super hot because I can see how fast that's setting. And then I'm just doing an ombre with Slush Fairy. So on my first attempt at a voiceover, I was saying it's so strange to look back on your work, even from a few weeks back, how much it's changed, like the way I work. Everything's different. I just think it's nice when you see yourself improving on things that you want to improve on. Yeah. It's always good to look back and have a look at your work, see what you feel like you can improve on, and just make those small changes, yeah. So I'm just capping this pretty thumb crystal glass as always, just so that I don't file away that blend, and make sure that I've got enough structure on that nail because it's super long. And there's my usual out of shot for you. Wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't go out of shot at least, you know, once, would it? This index finger, I'm literally like seeing it as you're seeing it. I cannot remember what I did. So this is Slush Fairy. I'm assuming it's going to be a full nail. And tips I have used here, I don't know if I've already said that, but I'm going to say it again because I ain't sharp, are the Glitter Planet pre-pinch stiletto tips. Isn't Slush Fairy beautiful? She's so gorgeous. I mean, judging by the CJP Facebook page, most of the guys in there love it. Guys and girls, should I say. So I'm just going to do an extended nail bed here. I should think with birthday suit, that's usually my go-to. I wanted quite a long, a really deep and quite narrow smile line to go with these tips because they're really pinched, super pinched. And then I decided that's too long, it looks so ridiculous. So just literally gouging that bit off the end there, like you do, and I'm going to try and save this, like you do. I'm such a professional. I was going to say I don't think I'd do that if it wasn't on my friend, but I probably would. So yeah, just snatch the end off there, and then I'll come in with my file afterwards. That's what I mean. Don't panic too much about your smile lines and your geometric cutout work, etc., you can just file that bad boy in afterwards. As long as you've got that clear base down first, so you're not causing friction on that client's natural nail, or putting a hole in them, because they won't like that. Yeah, you can always rectify it. Nothing's impossible, nothing's ruined, like, you know, it's just a nail. It can always be filed off and done again. I've done that a couple of times, done a set, got to the other hand and thought, I hate that nail, so I've just wazzed it off and done something else on there. Yeah, nothing's ever set in stone. You don't like it, wazz it off. Another ombre for the ring finger. Working with a lilac luster. Oh god, I love that colour. I love it so much. And my dog is going to come in because someone's come in the gate. Oh my god. Sorry already. Just capping that in crystal glass. And I think the pinky is just a full nail of a lilac luster. Oh my god, literally one man and his dog just walked in the flaming kitchen. Like, what the hell, mate? Right, stop hanging on there. I'll get you something to eat.
I'll get the square.
Excuse me. My child just whispered in my ear that I'm going to get less likes and subscribers for that noise. You're not wrong, sunshine. I'm sure somebody will have something to say. So I'm just coming in with a new 180 grit file. I'm just going to tidy up this smile line so it's nice and crisp. So I'm guessing that I'm just adding the lilac luster on that free edge of that French nail, but you know, I can't see as much as you, so Oh, there we go. Yes. And I'm just going to make sure I tuck it right up into those wings. Otherwise it will look odd when you file through. And then just filing these cuties now. So always come in and do the side walls first. Make sure they come in nice and straight out from that nail, natural nail. Then nice and gently around the cuticle over and up and over the nail. Look, that's beautiful. And I'm just spraying a bit of sanitizer on there. Sometimes because obviously these colours are both really light, you haven't got a real definitive line to look at when you're filing through. So I'll just spray it with a bit of sanitizer and then I can see if I need to file any more or not. So I'm just adding these crystals. These crystals are from Angel Crystals. And they are the Princess, I think the Princess Collection pack that I bought. And these flame shaped pieces are gorgeous, I love them. There's like opal, there's pink in the pack, there's Aurora, just all really, really nice. So, as I've said before, I'm really shy at crystal placement, so I just literally, if I see crystal placements on Instagram or whatever, I just screenshot the crystal placement and try and recreate them myself, which is what I did here, but I couldn't tell you who the original credit should go to. I don't know. And then once I've finished adding these, I'm going to come in and top coat. Now you always want to top coat around your crystals, not on them, because you'll dull the shine on them and you take the cuts away. So this stamping plate is from somewhere, Beauty Big Bang. It's just one of the floral ones, and I'm using this CJS white stamping polish with them. I'm just doing this rose pattern just on the index finger. Oh, look how beautiful it is. And then when you top coat these stamping, you wanna come in more float over that first layer, cure for 30 seconds, and then add another layer and cure for 60. So I'm just going in with the final layer now. I don't know why I'm whispering. And I was never happy with that smile line on the end there, and I thought it was because I hadn't filed it through enough, but it just dawned on me it's where I was dicking about with it, where I cut the end of it off. Like, you could blatantly see it when I'd finished, but never mind. I don't think it's something that a client would notice. I think we as nail techs notice more because we know. You know, we see all those amazing nail techs that do perfect work, so we know when something's wrong. But some things I don't think clients would even notice anyway. And when I dropped that bit of top coat in that hole of those crystals, I was trying to make like a bubble effect in there, but yeah, it didn't really work. My top coat was too thin, but so just going to leave you a shot of these now. Thank you so much for joining me as always, and I will see you on Friday in my next one. Love you all, bye!